Hello everyone! After a long winter holidays, we are back to our classes. Aren't you? Yes, so I want all of you to be energetic and performing all the songs with me, okay? I want all of you to listen to me carefully. So today, our lesson will be on the letter K. I hope you all are familiar with the letter, isn't it? Very good. So, all of you listen to me carefully. Kites are flying in the sky. K-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky. K-k-k. Very good. So, I want all of you to sing the song, Kites are flying in the sky. Very good. So, let's do it together. Kites are flying in the sky. K-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky. K-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Very good! So let's all sing one more time together. Are you all getting familiar? Yes, it's very easy, isn't it? Yes, so let's do it again. Kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, k-k-k. Very good! You all are doing very great. So now we will be singing another song which will teach us some few words, okay? So I want all of you to lend me your ears and your eyes. Please look at me and listen carefully. Let's all sing together. Can you make the letters sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter K. This is the capital K. This is the lowercase k. You know how the K looks now. Let's make the letter K sound. K, 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 k. Your turn. K, 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 k. Very good. So now let's learn some words. K is for kite. K is for koala. K is for kangaroo. K is for kids. K is for key. K is for karate. You know how the K looks now. Let's make the letter K sound. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. You know some K words now. Let's make again the letter K sound. K, 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 k. Your turn. K, 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 k. Very good. Now I want all of you to learn the sign language, the letter K. Are you ready? Let's start. The letter K. This is the sign language K. I hope you all are familiar, isn't it? It's the index finger and the middle finger spreading up and the thumb coming in the middle, known as the sign language K. Very good. The letter K. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K is for key, key. K is for kite, kite, kite. K is for kitten, kitten. K is for koala, koala, koala. for keyboard. 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 K is for cake. Very good. Now we have learned the sign language K and also many more words. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Bye.